Carpet steam cleaner reviews. Most carpet steam cleaner reviews normally just look at steam cleaners, but in this steam cleaner review, we are also going to mention the traditional vacuum cleaners and hard flooring steam cleaners. A carpet steam cleaner is actually the best thing in order to remove any kind of dirt or grime, including oily marks that might be difficult to lift out of your new carpet. With respect to any technique you may use, cleaning your floor covering with steam or chemical is usually incredibly effective. There are lots of advantages of carpet steam cleaners. Most importantly, you have full control over the cleaning process and can adjust the process depending on whether you are dealing with heavy or light soiled carpets. So if you want to know more about carpet steam cleaner reviews, you may visit www.carpetsteamcleanerreviews.org. Thank you.